need a new computer? Do you want an affordable new computer? Do you need one that doesn't have all the bells and whistles, but you do need to have a lot of storage space, and you need it to be fast, and you need it to be efficient, and you want it to be not tiny to carry around, but being able to carry it like from room to room and carrying it outside of your living environment if you have to. Those are my problems. And my new Dell computer came in today. Kim Townsel here. Welcome back to my channel. It's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. If you have some information about this laptop or another laptop, please let us know so that we can all be better consumers. And my new laptop is here. I can only afford one every 4 years. Pretty excited. Look, I hope I didn't try to pick it up by this and it fell out. Not very secure, Dell. I'm very excited to have this. I haven't opened it up. It's been here for several hours today, but I wanted to wait and do this unboxing video. I've had Dell laptops for a long time now. Usually I get one about every 4 years. This is the last one I had. I got it in 2014. I've been very happy with it. It actually suffered getting soaking wet, and I ended up drying it out with a lot of rice. I have a video up that I'll link here, and also if you want to stick with me on this video, I'll post it at the end of the video. So it's really been a miracle laptop, and I'm very fortunate that it has stuck with me for so long. So really and truly, when I wanted to get a replacement, I wanted to get one that had similar features. So I did my research, and I found one, and let's open this thing up and see what it looks like. I'm really excited. I know that getting a new laptop is going to have a learning curve, and I'm going to be able to spend tomorrow afternoon getting acquainted with this new computer, and I'm really looking forward to it. Love new stuff. One thing, the handle is not very sturdy on the carton, so if you get one of these, be mindful about that. And voila, here it is. It's pretty lightweight. I didn't get the lightest one, and I ended up doing a lot of research to see what features I wanted, and I was really expecting to pay about $2,000 for this laptop. I ended up getting it for $1,077 because I got online, and Dell had a lot of things on sale, so I had to sacrifice and get some things that were a little bit different. But I'll tell you why I got this one. It's almost exactly like my old one. Let me read you the details. It's an Inspiron 17500 series, and this is the 5770. It has 8 gigabytes of DDR2 and 2400 megahertz, and it's 8th generation Intel Core with up to 3.4 gigahertz. It has Windows 10 on it, of course, and it has a 16 gig Intel Optane SSD Memory, which is one thing I wanted, to just have as much memory as I could because I have a lot of programs open at one time. And I do the YouTube videos and things like that, and plus at work we have a lot of things that we have to have open at the same time, and I do teach online classes, so I don't have to drive into my office all the time, so I want to have a reliable laptop. And the cool thing about this one is it has a 1 terabyte 5400 RPM hard drive, so I'm looking forward to that. I was going to sacrifice the size of the hard drive because I just bought a WD external hard drive, but having that storage space is going to be nice because that's what I had on my old Dell. I had a terabyte. People kept telling me, you'll never fill that data up. Well, I did. Ended up having to get an external hard drive. Videos take up a lot of space. A lot of space. And then also, this one's supposed to have a DVD. It does, has a DVD tray, which I know a lot of people think, you don't need a DVD tray. Everything in this kind of obsolete. But I do have a couple of programs that I run off of DVD that are really quite old. And I'm not really invested to buy the newer versions of those. So it's nice to have the DVD things. Plus, I still store stuff sometimes on DVDs that I don't need to access a lot of the times. It does not have a backlit keyboard, which this one did. But when I got to thinking about it, I don't really need that. It's just kind of like a fancy feature. So I'll go along without it. Then it's got blah 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 blah. And then I also wanted to get the Microsoft features on here. So I looked on it when I was looking on the Dell website, and I use Microsoft Word. I use Microsoft PowerPoint, I use Microsoft Excel, and the other things are just kind of like, yeah, those things are nice if I can get them, but those were the ones that I really and truly wanted. So I like the whole way this is set up. Let me open my old Dell and I'll see if I can do like a comparison of them. So I'm going to charge it and play with it tomorrow, but I wanted to share my unboxing with you and show you just the basic features about it, and then it is pretty lightweight, and I'm very happy with the way that it looks so far. Here they are open side by side. There is not that much difference between the size of them or the shape really. The old one, the one from 2014, has a black matte finish, and the new one has the silvery finish. It's going to be a little bit shinier and glossier, but it's not holding fingerprints or anything like that. And there's the batteries for each of those. Not that much difference in the screen size. This one might be a little bit shorter. The new one, the 2018, might be a little bit shorter. Maybe a little bit smaller, a little bit more compact. But it seems like the features are in the same places, the buttons, everything lines up. So I'm probably not going to have much of a learning curve on that. And I had read some reviews that there was quite a bit of space in between the keys on the newer versions of the Dell, where the older ones possibly were a little bit closer together. I don't know that that's true, or maybe it just looks that way because of the lighter colored background. Don't really care. I'm not going to get something to measure it with. Some of the normal features of this: it has a 17 solid HD display, HDMI cable, precision touchpad, SD card reader, wireless and Bluetooth like Dell, and then it has a HD webcam and dual microphone, which is what I'm going to use because I had used this one to record a lot of my YouTube videos, and it was kind of grainy, kind of fuzzy. So I'm hoping that the quality on this is going to be a little bit better. The only thing is, the new ones do not come with Windows Movie Maker, which I know is antique, it's old, but that's what I've been using to make my movies. So I may have to shoot footage on this and then put it on my external and actually edit the movies on the old one and then upload it from there. So I don't know how I'm going to figure all that stuff out. Or maybe I can just find a new platform or a new software and make my movies to help edit my movies. So if you have any suggestions about things I can use to edit the movies, I'm open to those types of suggestions as well. I'm looking into that now, and I know there's some options out there. I don't want anything that's too cheesy, and I don't want anything that's too expensive because, you know, this is just, I can't put that much money into it, to be honest. So I'm pretty happy with it. Look forward to getting to know this computer. The newer one, the 2018, is on top, and the older one is on the bottom, so you can see a little difference in the thickness of it. And this is where the fan, I guess, blows out. I'm not sure what the fan is on this one, but it's a little different. This is I have a wireless mouse and still a mouse girl. But it's not missing anything that I'm going to use. The bottom of the new one, and then, as I said, it has the DVD tray, the SD slot. So nice. It has almost all the features that I was looking for. I really was going to invest in a solid state, but I couldn't get that with this. So that was really the only thing I sacrificed. But I don't drag my laptop with me like from pillar to post. I do carry it with me when I travel, but I don't carry it with me every single meeting I go to and stay logged in and all like that. I'm not that person. I use it for work, and when I'm in a meeting, I don't do that kind of work. Of course, it comes with the warranty, safety, and regulatory information. It comes with a quick start guide, which I have already unfolded. It tells you to connect the power adapter and press the power button, and then it tells you how to finish the operating system setup. And it tells you how to create a recovery drive and how to locate the apps. It has a graphic of the features with the drawing of the front and the bottom, as well as numerical indicators. Gives you shortcut keys. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching my unboxing video about my new Dell laptop. Remember, it's free to like, subscribe, leave a comment below. Let me know about laptops, enlighten us, good, bad, or ugly, that we can all help each other become better consumers. And until next time, I guess be as tech savvy as you can be, right? Bye. Bye. Let me read you the details. It's an Inspiron 15.